Hello guys, welcome back to the Diaspora channel. If you're new here, I'm Gabiam Aziz and I showcase black businesses on this channel. I also interview those that moved from Europe or the US to Africa to share their experiences with us. I do share my travel vlogs as well. So if this is your type of content, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you don't miss out on my new videos. This cute package is for me, of course, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Mashunna Collection is another black-owned business. Her name is Makeda. I had the privilege to interview her like 3 or 4 years ago. If today is actually your first time coming across the channel, you're going to find out what Mashunna Collection is about and the different products that, especially, you watching me as a lady, you definitely going to need, or even if you're a man, you're going to need to buy some for your better half, if I can put it that way, or your sisters or your mom or your cousins. So don't go anywhere, keep watching. Coucou, bienvenue sur ma chaîne, j'espère que tout se passe très bien chez vous. Je suis Gabiam Aziz et je mets en avant les business black owned sur cette plateforme. J'ai un petit paquet ici que je vais bientôt ouvrir et ce paquet vient de Mashunna Collection. J'ai fait un entretien avec Mashunna Collection il y a 3 ou 4 ans, donc je vais partager encore certains de ces produits. Si c'est votre première fois, cette plateforme, c'est pour mettre en avant nos business. Je fais aussi des entretiens avec ceux qui ont quitté la diaspora pour aller s'installer en Afrique, qui partagent aussi leurs expériences de vie avec nous, ainsi que mes travel vlogs. Donc on va ouvrir ensemble, hein? Guys. Let's do this. Okay, so I have actually 4. So we have this very cute envelope. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, that's really cute. Thank you for supporting Mashunna. I hope you love your nail mat and glosses. I also put a sample of my nail gloss sauces. Let me know what you think. Sure. He's all about doing great things this year, so I love the name sauces. So we have 4 colors in total, and this is the one I always go for, and the plain gloss, but this time I decided to try this color and then this red. This is the sample. I'm trying sauces now and you guys can tell me what you think, but I really love this pink. What do you guys think? I really love it. Smells so nice. Love this pink. Say it's just simple, very subtle. I like how it blended so beautifully with my lips color. So that is definitely one that I will be going for again when I'm going to place my next order. Now let's try this one. This color is very toned down. If I don't wear red, most of the time you're going to see me wearing this one. So that's the reason why I really love the pink one, because it's also pretty much the same, but it just has a touch of a little pink in it. I love this as well. This normally will last me for a year. It doesn't run out so fast, though I pretty much use it every week. Let's try our third color. I'm not your makeup girly. I just do some light makeup whenever I feel like, but I'm not a makeup girly per se. And again, what do you guys think about our third color? Apart from the second one that you saw first, this is my go-to color. It's again another beautiful one. Of course, we're going to wipe this one and go for the last one now. I'm sure you are enjoying the video, and by now you know exactly what to do. But if you don't know, you see that thumbs up? Just thumbs up the video and don't go anywhere. Keep watching to find out about our last color that I'm going to try on, and you can tell me at the end of the video which one is your favorite. Though I'm in love with the 3 of them already, let's try the last one. For these 3 glosses that I ordered, the total was $23 only, but of course you have to pay for the shipping. I ordered this one the time I was in the US, so the shipping was really cheap. I really had fun trying these different 4 colors, and this little one right here, I really love this one. So next time, Mashunna, I will be ordering sauces because I need sauces in my life for sure. By the way, ladies, if you love any of these, you know now what to do. Just go to MashunnaCollection.com and you will be served. Thanks so much guys for watching today's video. Do me a big favor. Of course, we want more people to know about Mashunna Collection. Share it as well so more of them can also try on these amazing lip glosses. I really love them, and I'm happy with my purchase. This is my 3rd time ordering my glosses from Mashunna Collection, and I can guarantee you, you're going to love her products. Not only this, if you're like me, of course, I use this maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, and it lasts me normally like a year. So it's really good, and price wise as well. And the good thing about her product is animal cruelty free, which is so important when it comes to the products we're using on our skin or even in our hair. Really have to go for what is safe. So guys, that is it for today. I'm going to add the website also in the description box and her Instagram page. Kindly check her out. If you have a product or you want to share your service or services with us, email me at the diasporachannel@gmail.com and you will be able to be here and share your products. Thanks so much for watching, and wherever you are, keep patronizing our businesses simply because they matter. Thank you. Bye for now. C'est la fin de la vidéo d'aujourd'hui et j'ai tellement aimé toutes ces couleurs, les 4 en fait. J'ai commandé 3 et elle a envoyé l'échantillon là pour que je puisse essayer ça, et j'ai vraiment aimé cette couleur. Donc prochainement, définitivement, je vais commander ce brillant parce que c'est tellement beau. J'aime bien la couleur parce que c'est pas une couleur éclatante. Donc ça me représente très bien. J'aime bien cette couleur quand je veux utiliser un brillant un peu éclatant. Là j'utilise cette couleur, donc c'est pour ça que j'ai encore commandé cette couleur. Et cette couleur aussi, quand je veux un brillant qui n'est pas très éclatant, là j'utilise ça. Donc, c'est la première fois que j'ai fait la commande de ce brillant. J'aime très bien cette couleur aussi. Donc, si vous voulez aussi faire votre commande, c'est très simple. Allez sur mashunnacollection.com et vous serez bien servi. Et c'est très important qu'on continue toujours par soutenir nos business où que nous soyons. Donc, si vous avez des produits ou vous offrez des services que vous voulez aussi partager, vous pouvez m'envoyer un mail sur thediasporachannel@gmail.com. Vous pouvez me joindre ici, on fera l'entretien ou simplement vous m'envoyez vos produits. Je connais très bien ces produits. C'est ma 3e fois en fait de commander mes brillants chez elle. Donc, je suis très sûre que vous aussi vous allez aimer. Donc, si vous avez aimé la vidéo, n'oubliez pas de me dire votre couleur préférée. À très bientôt. Au revoir.